Hi, welcome to Active Art. Continuing on with the black and white series. I've been having fun with it so far. I hope you have. If you have any ideas for the black and white or questions, let me know down in the comments. So here what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to do a kissing pour or kissing cup or whatever, however they call it. But to start with, I'm going to use the little bit thicker black and a little bit thinner white. And then a little bit thinner white and a little bit thinner black. I think I'm going to want more black in on that. Black just kind of took that over. White sank straight down. Alright, you know what? And for this one, I want a bigger canvas. This is only 5 by 5. And for those two, let's see. The next one I have close is it's a 6 by 6. It's a little bit bigger. Still give us a good idea of what's going on. Alright. So, let's see what these... that one's anxious. Now this left one has more white in it. It's not coming out. Maybe it'll sink to the bottom. Let's move the kiss. So I guess it's sort of a modified kissing pour. Let's help this edge along here. You can tell some of the paints are moving at a different speed than the others, which of course I would expect, since some of the paints are thicker than the others. Let's see what we got going on over here. So far I'm kind of liking this one. It may end up being my favorite. Generally I like to tilt kind of slow, but sometimes when you're going for the edges, especially when you have different consistencies in the paint, getting a little momentum up can help get it over the edge. Alright, come back towards the middle a little. Stretched out. Okay. And I think I'm going to stop messing with it. There's some more stuff I'd like to try to do. I have a feeling that if I kept going, it would just turn into a big gray thing. And right now we still have some very distinctive whites and blacks with different shades of gray, which is quite nice. Apparently my alarm's going off. That is not my phone, that is an alarm reminding me that at some point today I need to stop painting and do other things. Alright, y'all have a great day.